it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's a how to pose for photos for Instagram, just for modeling in general, just like pictures, anything. These are just poses or ways to help you pose better in your pictures so you look extra poppin'. If you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up, home skillet biscuit? My name's Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this fan band. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am simply Morgan. I'll tell you girl what's up and what's happening. And let's get started with a video. So my first tip or hack, whatever way you want to go with this, is look more curvy. Everybody wants that curvy hourglass. Well, at least I do. I kind of have it, not really, but what you want to do is stand to the side and put your hips forward so your body is a sling. Well, it'll make you look more curvier if you turn to the side. We're not going to look at the fact that I'm wearing leggings. Turn to the side and put your hips out. You see that? It gives me, you know, booty right there. It gives curvage. You know, we're so close up, but this is what I mean. It kind of like legs apart a little bit. You still see my leggings, I know, but yes, just if you know what I mean. Because if I go like this, see how it looks but if I go like this, it looks like snack. So just to get that curvy stand, just stand to the side and swing your hips forward, if you know what I mean. So tip hack number 2 is to lean your shoulders back, lift up your chest, suck it in, and it gives you more confidence. Oh damn, even looking in the camera, I look confident as hell. A little bit like I can't breathe, but dang, like do you see that? Like transformation. So this is how I was. Then I lean my shoulders back, I lifted up my chest, and now I look even more confident. Like dang, who is this female? So yes, it will give you more confidence in your picture. It will make you look more confident. Now I'm holding it like this because I look more confident just doing this. Tip and hack number 3 is to tilt your head up. Just a little bit, not too much. Not like this, but like, so you see how I am right now? They're just a little bit like this. Just a little bit, not too much. And you know what that'll do? It'll give more definition. So you see how it gives more definition when you tilt your head up just a little bit. So you see how I'm keeping it now. But if I tilt it up a little bit, it gives you a little bit more definition. See that? See how that's working right now? See how it is? A little bit. See? Back here? Ooh, definition. Ooh, she got a neck. Ooh, that's queen. Oh. Now this hack is for my short girls, like your girl right here, because I'm only 5'3". I might look tall, but I'm not. And what you're gonna do is have your photographer take the pictures from a lower angle to make you look long and tall, you know, give that supermodel height, because I don't have that whatsoever, but I'm okay, you know, we gonna fake it till we make it. So literally it's just, instead of having the camera just here, you're just gonna bring it down to like right here, which you can't see me, but you're just bringing it down. So just bring it down. Tip hack number 5 is to use an object, a prop, to help you feel more comfortable in the picture. So say you feel a little bit, you know, self-confidence. So maybe I want to do like a purse and do this. See, oh, I just gave you in serving looks with a purse, just like that. Just having a prop kind of helps sometimes with like pictures and stuff. And maybe like you're feeling insecure that day, maybe you just want to have a mug or a bandana or something. But just using like a simple prop is definitely going to help with helping you with posing. Trust me, you will pose better when you have a prop in your hand. Just simple. You just saw how I just posed for you guys and I did this and literally just dropped this prop. Hack tip number 6 is to just take candid photos, be yourself, just take a bunch of pictures real fast, just like on a burst on your phone or a burst on your camera, and literally just get those pictures of you just acting yourself in real life. And let me tell you, some of the best pictures come out from just candid pictures. Like I've got some good candid pictures that are like, yes, like especially like the ones where you're like laughing and stuff. Like you can see when someone fake laughs in their picture if they just go aha, aha, aha. No, you really need to laugh. You need to go aha, aha. Yes, be your extra, be yourself, do whatever. If you're just laughing and having a good time, like, trust me, like, people are gonna see that in your pictures. Your picture's gonna come out popping. Not every picture's gonna come out popping, but you know what I mean. Okay, so hack/tip number 7 is to create different poses with your body. So you know how I talked about it earlier, where you stand to the side, pop your hip out forward, and gives you a curvy look. Well, if you just practice like poses with your body and stuff, you might be able to figure out like what ways you like your body. You can be like this, and that's already creating a pose with your body. Like, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you move on to something else. But just creating different poses with your body, just like who, me, I'm extra. I'm sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, a home skillet, a biscuit.
We could do this all